Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.